Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 and I will show you how to remove and replace the radio unit. This video applies to Dodge Rams 1500 made from 2002 all the way up to 2008. Okay, so to access the screws which are holding the radio unit, first you need to pop out this plastic trim piece that's surrounding the radio. Now to do that, there is only one screw which you have to remove, and it's gonna be right here. I hope you can see it. I'll try to zoom it in. It's a Phillips screw, so remove that one. Okay, once you have it out, what you want to do, you want to grab this panel right here and pull it towards yourself to pop it out pretty much, and then just continue doing that all around until you get all these plastic clips out. You don't have to completely remove this trim piece. You can if you want to, that way you'll get more space to work. So there's just a couple of wires to disconnect, but you don't have to do it, like I said, because you have the access to the radio and all the screws. So what you want to do next, you want to remove 4 Phillips screws. 2 will be on this side and 2 will be on the other side. So this one and this one. Once you have removed them, you can just pull the radio straight out. It's just gonna slide out. And again, on the back side of the radio, you'll have a couple of connections to remove. So here on the right side, you'll have a radio antenna, which just pulls out. So you just have to wiggle it a bit and pull it out, just like this. And on this side, there is one connection. Now there is a clip on the bottom of it. I'll try to record it for you. Okay, you'll see it here. Let me zoom it in. Okay, there is the clip, so I want to press onto this clip and pull these wires out. Okay, just like that. And this is how you remove the radio from Dodge Ram 1500. Okay, so I will mention one more thing. If you decide to replace your radio with another factory radio, make sure to get the new radio code. Sometimes the new factory radio will not work because the code will be tied to a different VIN number. So in that case, just make sure to get the radio code and you shouldn't have any problems. If you don't know the code, what you can do, you can call the Dodge dealer, provide them the new radio serial number and the donor vehicle VIN number, and they should be able to give you the code. In case you are installing a new aftermarket radio, which you're doing most likely, make sure to get the proper wiring harness, which is gonna connect to this connector and into your new radio, and make sure to get the proper radio kit for your new radio. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.